Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 24th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Lam Research. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Lam Research has just released their financial results for the quarter ended September 29th, 2024. It's an exciting time to analyze their performance, especially with the recent 10-for-1 stock split that took effect on October 2nd, 2024.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Lam Research reported a revenue of $4.17 billion for the September 2024 quarter, which is an 8% increase from the previous quarter. John, what are your thoughts on this growth?
It's quite impressive. The revenue growth is a testament to Lam's strong market position and operational execution. The GAAP gross margin improved to 48.0%, and the operating income as a percentage of revenue increased to 30.3%. This indicates that Lam is not only growing its top line, but also enhancing its profitability.
And the earnings per share.
Lam reported a GAAP diluted EPS of 86 cents, which is a 10% increase from the previous quarter. This growth in EPS reflects the company's ability to manage costs effectively while driving revenue growth.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies. How did Lam perform on a non-GAAP basis?
On a non-GAAP basis, Lam's gross margin was 48.2%, and the operating income as a percentage of revenue was 30.9%. These figures are slightly higher than the GAAP results, indicating effective cost management and operational efficiencies.
What did the CEO have to say about these results?
Tim Archer, Lam's CEO, highlighted the company's strong execution and its strategic investments in etch and deposition technologies. He emphasized that these investments position Lam well to outperform wafer fabrication equipment growth in 2025 and beyond.
And what about the future outlook?
Lam provided a positive outlook for the next quarter, with expected revenue of $4.3 billion, plus or minus $300 million. The company is confident in its ability to continue delivering strong financial performance.
Balance sheet and cash flow analysis. Let's shift our focus to the balance sheet and cash flow. What are the key highlights here, John?
Lam's cash and cash equivalents increased to $6.1 billion, primarily due to strong cash flow from operations, which was $1.57 billion for the quarter. This robust cash generation allows Lam to invest in growth opportunities and return capital to shareholders.
And what about deferred revenue?
Deferred revenue rose to $2.5 billion, reflecting strong demand and future revenue potential. This increase is a positive indicator of Lam's ongoing business momentum.
How about capital expenditures?
Lam invested $110.6 million in capital expenditures, which is aligned with their strategy to support future growth and technological advancements.
Geographic revenue distribution and strategic initiatives. John, can you break down the geographic revenue distribution for us?
Certainly. China accounted for 37% of Lam's revenue, followed by Korea at 18% and Taiwan at 15%. This distribution highlights Lam's strong presence in key semiconductor markets.
What about the revenue split between systems and customer support?
Systems revenue was $2.39 billion, driven by sales of new leading-edge equipment. Customer support-related revenue was $1.78 billion, which includes services, spares, and upgrades. This balanced revenue mix supports Lam's long-term growth strategy.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, John, can you summarize Lam Research's performance and investment prospects?
Lam Research delivered strong financial results with an 8% quarter-over-quarter revenue growth and a 10% increase in EPS. The company's robust cash flow and positive future guidance make it an attractive investment opportunity, especially with its strategic focus on key technology inflections.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Lam Research's performance in the comments below.